In today's lesson, we're going to have a look at reverse percentages. This is calculating the original value before a percentage of an amount, increase or decrease calculation. We can use the idea of percentage multipliers to help us reverse these percentage calculations. Spotting a reverse percentage question can sometimes be difficult because they look like an ordinary percentage calculations question. The key thing that you're looking for is the fact they want the original value, so you're working backwards to get that answer. In this first example, we're asked to calculate the original price after a 7% increase to £2,247. The key thing is that we want the original price, and therefore it's a reverse percentage question. Now, what's really tempting to do for questions like this is to work out 7% of 2,247 and take it away. That would not be correct. This is because we increased it by 7% of the original price, whereas you'd be calculating 7% of the new price, 2,247. Instead, we can draw a diagram of how we got to this answer and then reverse it to work our way back to the original price. So I know from my original value I increased by 7%. That's a multiplier of 1.07. So I can say I times by 1.07 to get my new value, which is £2,247. Now, if I wanted to reverse that process, I'd simply take 2,247 and divide by 1.07. So the calculation that I need to put into my calculator is 2,247 divided by 1.07, and that would reverse the calculation and give me the original value. So using my calculator, I need to put 2,247 divided by 1.07, and that gives me an answer of £2,100 for the original value. So I can therefore say the original price is £2,100. In my second example, it asked me to calculate the original price after a 37% decrease to £2,772. I can use a similar diagram to help me work this out. I know that performing a 37% decrease is the same as working out 63% of the original amount, so my multiplier is 0.63. That gives me my new value of £2,772. If I wanted to reverse this, I'd simply divide by 0.63. So my calculation to put in my calculator is 2,772 divided by 0.63. So 2,772 divided by 0.63 gives me an answer of 4,400. That means that the original price is £4,400. We can use a similar idea to help us reverse percentage of an amount calculations as well. In this example, it's given that 24% of an amount is 91.2, and it wants us to work out what 100% or the original amount was. Using our diagram, I know that 24% of an amount is the same as 0.24 as a multiplier, and that gives us an answer of 91.2. Therefore, to reverse that process, I need to divide by 0.24. So my calculator, I need to put 91.2 divided by 0.24. So as with before, I can use my calculator. I need to put 91.2 divided by 0.24, and that gives me an answer of 380. So I can say that 100% of my value was 380. So there's 2 tasks for you to complete today. The first is this reverse percentages worksheet. What you can see on screen is just part of the worksheet, so make sure you download the full thing from Show My Homework in the resources to help you section. Your second task is to complete this reverse percentages crossword. Again, this is attached as a worksheet in the resources to help you section on Show My Homework. Once you've finished both of these tasks, you should check your answers and correct any mistakes before taking a photo and uploading it to Show My Homework so I can see how you've got on. If you are struggling to complete some of the work from today's lesson, then please do not hesitate to get in touch via comment on Show My Homework. I'll try to make myself as available as possible and get a reply to you as quickly as I can. If the issue requires a little bit more input from myself, I might ask to arrange a time to meet on Teams where I can give you some personalised help with that specific problem.